Hello friends, in today's video we're gonna be changing the auxiliary belt on this BMW 1 Series. This is the existing belt. It just came off, and as you can see it's pretty much worn out, so that's what we're gonna be changing. So it just came off from here, from all these pulleys here, alternator pulley, water pump. You got the tensioner there. Okay, so this is the new part. We got this from GSF for £22, so we're just gonna crack on with it. Right, the way it works is that we have a tensioner just here. That's the tensioner pulley, and we're gonna be using a 16mm socket to lift the tensioner up, and then that's how we're gonna slide in the auxiliary belt. So just going to start the procedure now. So we're using a breaker bar and the extension. So we're gonna slide the belt onto the pulleys. Just gonna make sure that all the grooves are in place. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull the tensioner upwards. I'm just gonna pull the tensioner upwards, and going to make sure that the belt is fully in. There we go. Simple forward procedure to change the auxiliary belt on this BMW 1 Series. So now we're gonna start the car up, and going to see it in operation. There we go friends, job done. Thank you very much for watching the video.